Hey guys, Sabar God here, and today we're gonna talk about how two deaths in the world of One Piece changed the story going forward. Let's start with why I believe these deaths changed the story of One Piece. Since long ago, writers from around the world have used death as a means to change the story going forward. For example, in Harry Potter, J.K. used the death of Hedwig, Harry's owl, to change the story from a child experiencing and learning about the world of wizardry and witchcraft for the first time to a man fighting against the Dark Lord. Similarly, in the world of One Piece, Oda has used two different deaths to change the story going forward, and these two deaths are of Going Merry and Ace. So, let's first talk about Going Merry and how it changed the story going forward. Going Merry died at the end of Enies Lobby arc, with two things happening at the time, one before its death and one after. The first thing that happened is Robin became a true Straw Hat, as when Robin joined the Straw Hats, she didn't particularly have any loyalty to them. She did develop a friendship with them, but not loyalty, as she developed it after seeing the Straw Hats struggling to save her. If they never went through Enies Lobby, she wouldn't have developed any loyalty to the Straw Hats, because of which she wouldn't have helped Luffy become the Pirate King, and she wouldn't have helped Luffy read the Road Poneglyph. And as Robin's ability to read the Road Poneglyph is a vital key to finding Raftel, the story never would have went anywhere. But as we all know, she did develop true loyalty to the Straw Hats, and in turn Luffy. Now she would do anything in her power to help Luffy become the Pirate King. Heck, I would say she wouldn't rest until she sees him as a Pirate King. And the second thing that happened is the Straw Hats received the Thousand Sunny, the pride of Frankie, which, as we all know, is the student of the man who built the Aura Jackson, the ship best known for taking Rogers around the world and making him the Pirate King. Both facts combined makes it so that Luffy is at least a contender for the Pirate King, if not the man destined to be the Pirate King. Though, why do I believe these facts change the story? Well, even though we all knew that Luffy will someday become the Pirate King, there weren't any inward signs of that fact before the death of Going Merry. You see, countless people set sail to become the Pirate King, and Luffy is no different, at least when he started. Even after entering the Grand Line and defeating a warlord, he was no different from any other adventuring pirate. He was a strong pirate, but not a man destined to be the Pirate King. But after obtaining Robin's trust and Thousand Sunny, he instantly became a Pirate King contender. And that's what Going Merry's death signifies. It signifies that this is no longer a story about a young man setting sail to have adventures, to a man destined to be the Pirate King. And the other death, which would be the death of Ace, signified the change in the story's pacing and genre. So, what I meant by pacing is, before the death of Ace, One Piece took its time laying down the story, with each place they visited and the adventures they had. And now, even though it hasn't completely forgotten its roots and still does everything it did before, it does all of that at a much quicker rate. I mean, from the start of Fishman Island to the current arc of Wano, there hasn't been any arcs that were unimportant to the story. Whereas before, we would get a filler arc every once in a while that doesn't have any major plot threads inside it. And what I mean by genre is, before Ace's death, One Piece was a fun adventure story with no complicated plot behind. But now it's all about politics, world nobles, revolutionaries, marines, and complicated things like that. What I mean is, before it was just a shonen adventure story, but now it's more of a semi-adult drama and adventure story. So, in summary, with the death of Going Merry, One Piece changed its protagonist from an ordinary man to a possible successor to the Pirate King. And with the death of Ace, changed the story from a simple story to a complicated one. And with that, the video has reached its end. So if you liked it, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell button, and alvida.